Hi everybody, it's me again. I am back with another haul video. Um, I went to two Dollar Trees today because I've been watching a lot of haul videos and I tried not to watch them, but I love watching them. I can't help it. So I figured why not share what I picked up at my Dollar Trees because I know different Dollar Trees have different things. And probably this is not anything new to a lot of people, but it was new to me. So the first one I went to, I got this bag, and I love the colors, and it's very retro. I love it. Or modern, whatever. So I love that. Got that. Then I saw these wood words, and I thought these were so cute. And you get 3 to a pack. And I got 4 because I think I'm going to paint these up and do something to them for my Halloween cards this year. So I got those. I found a pumpkin. Should be like that, but it's like that. And I thought I could hang this on my door. I love how they have this metal leaf. This actually should be here to me. I just moved it. Okay, cool. But I love that it's our last name. So I thought that was pretty cool. Can you see that? Okay. This I saw this the last time I was there at this Dollar Tree, but I was like, I didn't see the pot holders. So I got the gnome Halloween. Yeah. But these colors I think would go through fall, until Christmas. So I got two of the pot holders, which I did not see before. They had them. And then they had these 2 oven mitts. I love 2 because, I like. And then I found these dish towels or kitchen towels. I think these are so adorable for my kitchen. I just love that. Okay. And then I found this, and some of my friends know that I went to Disney with my family, and I figured I could scan these and, like this many or something, and then color them up and put it in my album that I'm going to someday make. And then I found this planner for my son. He's going to need that this year. And then I found these stickers. Don't be afraid, just believe. More. I mean, they're like Bible quotes, and I thought these would be so sweet to give to a friend. I love them too, so I have my own set, but I thought these were so precious. With his love, he will calm all your fears, and boy, I need some of that right now. Anyway, okay, so that was at my first Dollar Tree. Let me put them back in the bag. Okay, so the second Dollar Tree, I bought this, I don't know, what do you call this? An L square ruler. I don't know why, but I felt like I needed one. Angle square. So I got one of those. And then I found these stickers, these Mickey Jr. stickers. And there's some Puffy glitter stickers, foil. Let's flip through it because I didn't really look through it. I was just like, yes, please. So here is the Puffy stickers. Oh my gosh. And then here is the glittered. I mean, you get one page of each. That's why I bought two. Here's the foiled. I don't know if you can. And this cricket is driving me crazy. And here is the glossy. And I think they're so precious. I love them. I love them. Okay, so I got two of those. And then I think I saw somebody pick these up and they said that they were going to alter them. And I figured that's a great idea. What is this? Okay. Then I saw these wood planks. I found the square and I found the rectangle. And I think I've already bought these. I have a feeling I did, but I don't think I bought the square ones. These would be good for a mini album, just really small ones because they're just, let's see, they're just, what size? Oh, they're 4.5 by 4.5. See, right there, 4.5 by 4. I didn't have to do anything. And then this one is 7.1 times 2.8. So that's awesome. And you get this one. You get 6, and then this one you get 6 too. Okay, cool. Love that. So that's all, guys. My goodness. I didn't really go too mad with my shopping, but it's enough. Really, I don't need any more crap. Now I'm almost set to, I just need some Mickey Mouse paper. And I don't know where I'm going to get them. I even went to a Tuesday morning and they had some paper on clearance, but I did not get any. They didn't have any Mickey. Oh, if they had Mickey Mouse paper, I would have definitely got it. So I should have bought some when I had the chance. A couple years ago, I didn't know that we were going to go this year, but I'm so glad we did because it's over, done with, back to the normal nitty-gritty. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week and weekend. Happy Labor Day. I do not work on Monday, so I may be back. But I want to thanks everybody for commenting on my last video. I know it's been a while. And hopefully I will be back with a project. Thanks everyone. Bye now.